In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the cursor disappeared error on an Asus Vivobook quickly and efficiently. Imagine you've sat down to use your laptop, only to realize your cursor has vanished. Frustrating, right? Luckily, there are several methods we can try to bring it back, and I'll guide you through each step. First, let's start with something incredibly simple. Often, a quick restart can resolve temporary glitches that might be causing your cursor to disappear. To do this, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. Once the screen changes, look for the power icon at the bottom right corner and select Restart. This straightforward action might be all it takes to resolve the issue. If you find yourself unable to navigate due to the missing cursor, don't worry. You can use keyboard shortcuts to manage the situation. Press the Windows key and D together. This action minimizes everything and takes you back to the desktop. From there, press Alt and F4 to open the shutdown dialog. You can use the arrow keys to select Restart and press Enter. In case the restart doesn't solve the issue, your next step is to open the Device Manager. You can do this by using the Windows and X keys together and then selecting Device Manager from the menu. Once you're in the Device Manager, use your arrow keys to navigate to mice and other pointing devices. Once highlighted, press the right arrow key to expand this section. This action will show all devices categorized under this section. Now let's try updating your touchpad driver. Once you've expanded the mice and other pointing devices, use the arrow keys to select your touchpad. Press Enter and, in the options that follow, select Update Driver. This will prompt Windows to search for the latest driver for your touchpad, which might resolve the issue if it's caused by outdated software. Sometimes, updating isn't enough and we need to reinstall the driver. In Device Manager, right-click on the touchpad again and select Uninstall Device. You may see an option to tick a box that says, Delete the driver software for this device. If this option is present, be sure to select it, then proceed with Uninstall. After this process, restart your laptop once more. Windows should automatically reinstall the correct drivers for your touchpad on startup. Finally, ensure your system is up to date with the latest Windows updates. Outdated systems can sometimes cause driver issues, so staying current can help prevent future problems like this. Head over to the Windows Update section in your settings to check for any pending updates. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to getting your cursor back on your Asus Vivobook. Hopefully, one of these methods worked for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.